Yes, viewers and subscribers, this is Jam1 Media TV, the Leader TV. And on the topic today, man versus woman, and two perspectives on modern day dating situations, and the difficulties in finding a good partner. Yes, viewers and subscribers, please like, share and subscribe. Yes, viewers, watch the full duration of the video. At 11 minutes and 33 seconds, the man will share his views and perspective and what he thinks about modern day dating situation with a woman and the choices that he have. Please check it out.
Half of you motherfuckers ain't worth being with.
We have a lot of slim pickings. Open your ears and listen to what I'm saying. Women have a lot of slim pickings. The pickings for women are not as vast as the pickings for men. We are literally picking through a pile of shit when it comes to men. Let's just call a spade a spade. We are picking through men that don't equal up to what the fuck we looking for. Let's just put it out there, because I'm tired of y'all with the bullshit. Either you fine as fuck and you ain't got no motherfucking job. Either you got a job and you ugly as fuck. Either you don't have a lot of money but you got a big dick. Either we trying to pick and choose through a lot of bullshit y'all bringing to the table. You don't have a car, but you got a good heart. You got a 9-to-5 job, but you don't have bigger goals than that. We trying to pick and choose the best out of a lot of bullshit. So y'all gotta cut us some motherfucking slack. We trying to get the best we can get out of a lot of shit that y'all not bringing to the motherfucking table, okay? Don't try to act like all y'all got y'all shit together. We either gotta pick a nigga that we know gon' cheat cause he got money, but he financially stable. Or we gotta pick from a man who don't cheat, but all his shit ain't together. What the fuck do you expect us to do? I'm just asking. We are literally trying to solve math equations by picking the best dude that we can motherfucking pick. This shit is not, it ain't just simple dating no more. This shit literally boils down and you are literally having to solve a fucking mathematical equation to try to get a motherfucking man that's hitting on something. What do you want us to do? You love talking about it's our fault. How the fuck is our fault when half of y'all don't even equal up to a whole man? It literally takes 3 of y'all motherfuckers, 3 to equal 1. How the fuck that's our fault? We gotta get one with a big dick, one that's financially stable, and one that don't cheat. You gotta literally have 3 niggas to equal 1. What do y'all want us to do? What? I'm playing, but I'm dead ass serious. What? I need y'all to give me a solution. It can't just be, it's not just the women. Think about it. I know so many single women right now, good quality single women. Why the fuck all of us single? It's our fault? It ain't our fault that we trying to make the best out of a fucked up situation. We trying to make the best out of what we got. We gotta take the scraps because yes, now we're older. A lot of men are married. A lot of men are married. A lot of men are in relationships. So we trying to take the ones that's not in a relationship and piece they motherfucking ass together. Good luck, sis. Good motherfucking luck. We the ones that's in the struggle. Men got a lot of choices. I know right now 5 to 6 quality women I can name off the top of my head that men gotta choose from, that men get to choose from. Us on the other hand, we trying to piece y'all ass together to equal 1. So the struggle is motherfucking real. Do not come to me talking about, well, it's your fault, Atara. You picked that nigga. I picked the best that I could pick with what the fuck choose from. How about that? How about I'm trying to say, okay, damn, the other day I did a whole video scratching my head. Shit, I can't have a dude that look good and financially stable and got good dick. I'm stuck. What I'm supposed to do? So now I gotta say, forget it. Don't worry about the dick no more. Okay, don't worry about the money. Don't worry about the looks. One of those things I gotta scratch off my motherfucking list because I got a piece of nigga together. That's just it. So, Kent, shut your ass up. James, shut your ass up. Joe, shut your ass up. Twan, shut your ass up. Pendleton, shut your ass up. It is hard out here in these streets for us women. I don't give a fuck what y'all say. I don't care how y'all feel. I'm taking up for the women today. How about that? How about y'all step y'all motherfucking game up and get your shit together? Half of these niggas homeless. They living up under a roof with a female and ain't none of they names on the motherfucking nothing in that house. Y'all homeless niggas. We gotta pick from niggas that's homeless. We ain't even got pickings of niggas that got their name on shit. Because 90% of the men is living up under another bitch roof and their name ain't on nothing. You're homeless. You're homeless. We gotta pick from a nigga who car in his baby mama name. We fucked up. We fucked up. We ain't got a lot of shit to pick and choose from. We fucked up. Baby, I've been to prison. You know what I'm saying? I'm just jumping out of prison. So you know a nigga trying to get on his feet. What the fuck I'm supposed to do? I don't want to die alone. So I'm sitting at home at night, late at night, up, trying to subtract, add, divide, and multiply to make one nigga, two niggas, three niggas, a whole nigga. What I'm supposed to do? We fucked up, ladies. And these men do not want to hear it. They want to ignore it and act like all they shit together. The very ones that saying, I got a job, I'm financially stable. Yeah, you got all that, but you gonna have 2 and 3 bitches on the side. So now because you financially stable and you got your shit together, I gotta deal with you with 50,000 bitches on the side. Like what? And on top of that, the broke niggas cheating. Even the niggas that don't got their shit together got 2 and 3 bitches on the side. So we fucked up no matter how we turn. No matter where you look, you is fucked up. You fucked up. You in a lose-lose situation. So leave me the fuck alone because I'm single and I'm struggling. Leave me the fuck alone. Okay? I'm over here trying to do the best I can motherfucking do with these sorry ass niggas I gotta choose from. How about that? I ain't the type that like an ugly man. That just ain't me. Do you see me? Even in quarantine, I'm a motherfucking 10. So I don't want to walk around with a fucking gorilla. How about that? I don't want to motherfucking walk around with a gorilla. Okay? I don't. And I feel like I should not have to walk around with a motherfucking gorilla. I want me a man that look good. But in me wanting a man that look good, it's other shit that come with that. Like that nigga gonna have 3 and 4 motherfucking bitches on the side. How about that? So I'm over here struggling, motherfucker, okay? I want a nigga with some good dick. Okay? And 9 times out of 10, the niggas with good dick ain't got no motherfucking car. I'm over here struggling, okay? How about I want to be piped down sometimes? And the motherfucker that's gonna pipe me down good and gonna eat me up good ain't got no motherfucking where to live. So I'm over here struggling, okay? You could kiss my motherfucking ass. y'all over there talking about. 9 times out of 10, the motherfucker that got a good job, dick small. It's a struggle out here. So now, that leads me to have to deal with this small ass dick, but I live in Weston. I'm struggling. Leave me the fuck alone in my struggles. Leave me the fuck alone in me trying to make and piece these no good ass niggas together to equal one. How about that? Take this video and shove it up y'all ass, cause y'all ain't struggling. Y'all got all kind of shit to choose from. Y'all men ain't struggling. Y'all trying to juggle 3 and 4 bitches at one time. That's how good y'all got it. And all of them quality females. Take this video, Kent, and shove it up your ass. Twan, take this video and shove it up your ass. Germ, take this video and shove it up your ass.
Women who have been scorned because they pickings are not good pickings. Y'all picking niggas, a lot of times y'all pick niggas based off of the traditional definition of what a man is from our parents and shit. A lot of the foundation don't change. You should respect the woman. You should do this. You should do that. You know, you should honor your woman, respect your woman, make sure you provide and protect and all that good shit. Now let's get to the meat and potatoes. On the dating scene, let's keep it real. A lot of you women, half of you motherfuckers ain't worth being with. Half of your pussy's been blowed out since you were 15, 16 years old. Half of you got a whole bunch of baby daddies. Some of you done lied on a nigga talking about he your baby daddy, knowing he ain't your baby daddy. Half of you getting government assistance, so your motherfuckers ain't worth shit. You can't have a conversation about a business, a job. You can't do shit but work half a motherfucking secretary work or social work or whatever else the fuck you want to do. But you able to. The society has granted you access and little corner cuts, enabling you to be able to provide for yourself, get your housing and all that shit. Y'all ain't bound down by no shit about no records or just cause you a man and other men intimidated by you or you done some shit in your past that done stalled your future, and all kind of shit can go on. Both men and women, but women, stop blaming niggas because that's all you can pick from. Because if you could pick for more, you will be there. It's some white bitches that's never been to school, ain't got no job, can't work for shit, and they pulling millionaires. You want to know why? Because they got access to where they at. You bitches picking from the hood, and you picking from regular niggas.
Can you not say bitches?
Nah, fuck that shit. It is what it is. Women picking from the regular dating pool, the regular pool, just like the men are. The men got the same problem that the women got. It's women out here that ain't about nothing. It's women that lie. It's women that cheat. It's women that don't want to stand down, meaning they don't want to take their position of power or say so or feel like they have to be second to any man's voice or opinion. They feel like they strong enough to handle it on their own. A lot of men ain't gonna deal with that long, baby. If you don't know how to be submissive when it's time, and you don't know how to be supportive when it's time, then ain't no man gonna stay around long enough to come to deal with you and your fucking attitude. A lot of women are good women, but you're broken. You ain't fixed yourself. And then you put that shit on a man and think he supposed to fix that shit. Half of us wouldn't even deal with our mama if we was a man. The fuck is you talking about?
For real?
Yeah! We understand what y'all is. A lot of y'all difficult as fuck. Y'all are good women. Supportive, strong, independent, beautiful, all that shit. But you are fucking crazy. And a lot of men don't want to deal with that shit, man. We tired of that shit, man. Yeah, we done cheated on women and this and that. But I'm gonna be real with you. Half of you ain't worth keeping, man. You not. Half of you ain't worth keeping. You take all that makeup and beauty shit out, bitch, you look like some crawled out the gutter. Ain't nobody want to come. Listen, man. Hey, listen, man. Y'all keep talking about, you gotta put niggas together. We gotta put women together too. You know, if y'all ain't went and got no motherfucking surgery and spent $10,000, $15,000 on no goddamn surgery, then hell, we gotta pick for bitches with a gut, stretch marks that look like a glass been broke.
Oh, whoa.
Bitches with no butt. Bitches got titties, no ass, no titties. Pussy hole so big, you can stick a whole 2 lamps in that motherfucker. Bitch don't get wet. Bitch can't suck dick. Bitch ain't sexy. Half these bitches don't even know how to be submissive. Half these bitches, you got to come on to them for everything. They don't even know how to come on to you. Half of them talk to you like one of the homies. My conversation and your conversation shouldn't be the goddamn same. You know what I'm saying? Half of y'all don't even know how to just do it. You want us to open the door and do this and this. Like, half of y'all don't even know how to, if we in a plate, like, get your man a plate. You know what I'm saying? Fix your man a plate. You know what I'm saying? You don't even know how to do that. But y'all complain about every motherfucking thing. You know what I'm saying? Both men and women have the same problem in the pickings. Because it's a bunch of unstable motherfuckers out here that has a whole bunch of baggage. So, it is what it is. If you could keep one, you would have been married like some of the other women. Simple as that. A lot of you bitches single because you want to be. Y'all got caught up in some of these other older women who been scorned by niggas, and they told y'all you don't need a man, and now you're realizing you don't want to die alone. So now half of you licking pussy, and you really don't even want that. Fuck out of here with this shit talking about wish a nigga would have something to say. Half y'all bitches ain't worth fucking. What about y'all got a car, niggas ain't got shit in their name and all this and that. Yeah, that may be true, but a lot of them niggas scavengers. You remember the song Rolling Stone? A lot of them niggas Rolling Stones, man. It's a lot of women that'll take a man in just because they want one. Yeah, we know that. But it's a lot of niggas that's taking in trash-ass women who have nothing. No education, no style. Bitch don't look like shit. Bitch ain't never done nothing. Bitch can't add to nothing I got going on. Nothing. You get nothing. And we take them and we make them. And guess what they do to us? Have a baby and run off with a chick. But we supposed to have sympathy for y'all? Fuck y'all. The system ain't set up for us, it's set up for y'all. We gotta pay y'all alimony when we change your life. We could be with you for a year. They'll give you everything that we done made. What the fuck is you talking about, man? We got the same problem. I damn near say men got more problems. Half these niggas on child support, that ain't even they motherfucking child. And the bitch out here acting a fool for real. You talking about women got slim pickings and problems. Man, fuck out of here.
Can I say stop using a bitch
I'm sorry.
word?
Women have slim pickings and problems. Fuck out of here. I'm glad I'm married and don't have to go through this shit. But I thought I'd be a spokesperson for my partners. Because I know a lot of dudes out here got to pick through a lot of women that they be like, man, I ain't even worth fucking with. Because y'all mentality been fucked. Y'all think just because men have did what they did to y'all in the past that now y'all can take on that burden and do them like that and don't think you gonna get judged accordingly? I don't know what fucking world you live in. And to the good women out there, a good man will find you. Trust in God.
Dumb.